The image tool allows you to change how the image from the camera looks. This here is called the histogram. It displays the levels of light coming into the camera. This is automatically handled by WeldStudio. Automatic and gain are by default checked off and recommended to be on. If checked off, the black and white levels can be manually adjusted. Saturation changes how a weld will look in process. Having a lower saturation will allow for more detail on the arc, and having a higher saturation will allow for more visibility on the background. Gamma is a lightening or darkening of the whole image. 0 is the default. Going to the left will make it brighter, and moving to the right will make it darker. Moving latency to the right will make the camera respond slower to changes in light, and moving it to the left will make it respond faster to changes in light. Making it respond faster to light may create more flicker in the image. Under the Display tab, you have options to flip and rotate the image as needed. Sharpening of the image is also available, but will use more CPU and create a slight delay in the video. The camera window displays some information at the top left, and this can be toggled on and off here. You may also select what information is displayed. Font size and color is also adjustable for this. The Color tab is available for any color camera and allows you to adjust each color band and saturation.